Sorry. You see, I am flipping this pen with my finger. I have the knowledge of flipping this pen with my fingers, but I'm not doing this properly. You know why? Because I have not experience of this. Knowledge is one thing of having, but experience is the different thing. I have the knowledge of flipping this pen with my finger, but I don't have the experience much of flipping this pen. So you need to understand the difference between experience and knowledge. There is a lot of difference between experience and knowledge, and you also need to identify that what is important in your life, knowledge or experience. Good evening everyone. I am Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer at Winsome Express, expert in SolidWorks and affiliate marketer. Today I am going to share that at the end of this video you will know that what is more important, experience or knowledge. And today I am going to share my views on the same, that is experience versus knowledge. But before that, we need to know what is knowledge and what is experience. So knowledge is something we gain from book, ideas, information, skills that we learn from book, from a person, that is knowledge. But once we apply that knowledge in practical, in real, for helping someone for a particular time, that knowledge will become experience for us. Knowledge means bookish knowledge, having the information of one thing, but once you applying that knowledge for helping someone, for doing something, that is experience. Experience comes with time, exposure. Let me share my story with you. I'm a good in SolidWorks, that is CAD software, 3D CAD software, designing software, engineering software. So I'm good in SolidWorks and CATIA. But you know what? When I just start learning that software, I got just 30% of the knowledge of SolidWorks in CAD Center. But once I practicing that knowledge on my industrial experience, or you can say industries, companies, I increase my 30% to 90% because my knowledge, I use that knowledge for helping someone, for creating something new, and that knowledge convert into experience. So you see, first I gain the knowledge from my tutor, and then I use that knowledge to help someone to create something new, and that knowledge will become experience for me, and now I am very good in SolidWorks, that is experience for me. Okay, now tell me you that what is important for you, knowledge or experience? Knowledge helps you to learn anything. Knowledge you can apply everywhere. By knowledge you can learn new things. But experience you can only apply for that particular task. You don't understand? Let me clear you. There is a cricketer who have a vast experience of playing cricket in a stadium, and that cricketer now moves toward a golf course with zero experience in golf. Then what happens? Will he able to play that golf properly? Tell me. As I am thinking, no, because he has the experience in cricket but not in the golf. You see, experience in a particular field will give you expertise, but knowledge, you know how to play cricket and you know how to play golf, this give you that edge. So you see, having knowledge is one thing, but after applying that knowledge you will gain experience. But if you ask me, I stand out knowledge in front of experience. Why? Knowledge gives you an edge to learn new and new things, which helps you to create new things. But it doesn't mean that experience don't matter. It matters. First you gain the knowledge, and once you start applying that knowledge you will gain experience, and after getting that experience you will gain more and more knowledge. As I told you earlier that I gain only 30% of knowledge of SolidWorks in CAD Center, but now I have 90% of knowledge of SolidWorks because I apply that 30% in industry, and that industry's experience give me that gradual increment in my knowledge, which converts into experience. Now I can able to teach anyone SolidWorks. I'm that much experience. So you see the importance of knowledge and experience both. But for me, knowledge is a standout. There are different type of experience like physical, emotional, mental, social, religious, and there are different kind of knowledge as well, conceptual, declarative, somatic, and different kind of knowledge as well. So I would just want to say that if you have knowledge you can gain experience, and if you have experience you can gain more and more experience. For me both are important. If you go for an interview as a fresher, you ask for your knowledge, but when you go for an interview as an experienced candidate, you asked for your experience. That's the difference between a fresher and an experienced guy. Both are equally important in their particular field. You need to understand this. More the knowledge, more you have the experience, and more you have the experience, more the wisdom you have, more you have the credibility in between the people, so that you can earn more and more credibility in between the people. So I hope you can understand that what is more important, experience or knowledge. For me, knowledge. Now it's your turn to tell me that what is more important for you, knowledge or experience. Like this video, comment on this video, and share this video as well. Thank you.